SPX FLOW has over 50 years of UHT experience, with many installations found all around the world. Our infusion technology uses ultra-high temperature treatment to increase the shelf life of dairy and food products without the need for chemicals or preservatives. Let's take a closer look at the process. Product enters the balance tank, which is designed to ensure an uninterrupted flow to the process. Prior to the ultra-high temperature treatment, the product is preheated using an APV plate heat exchanger. Our infusion technology ensures rapid and controlled heating of the product as it falls through the infusion vessel. The extreme fast heating of the product enables a high level of vitamins to be retained in the product with minimum protein denaturation. This will result in a product with superior quality and taste, while still ensuring the benefits of high thermal treatment. Accurate heating and controlled holding time provides assured bacteria spore kill rate and a safe product. Our technology is able to provide an extremely short holding time, ensuring the natural fresh taste of the product is maintained. The product is passed to the flash vessel, where it is cooled rapidly. The reduction of pressure lowers the boiling point, and vapor corresponding to the quantity of steam added previously in the infusion vessel is released. The large fat globules and protein agglomerates are then reduced into smaller particles as they pass through our world-renowned APV homogenizer. This homogenization process ensures a higher stability of the product throughout its shelf life. As a last step, the product is cooled using a series of APV plate heat exchanger sections. After cooling, the product is ready for filling. The SPX FLOW Infusion UHT technology provides the highest degree of process flexibility. With its extremely fast heating and short holding time, it is designed to help you produce a wide range of products with superior fresh taste and exceptional product quality. We offer a variety of UHT processing solutions, including plants with advanced automation features. With our focus on optimization of energy and utility consumption, we provide many options for you to improve sustainability. SPX FLOW Infusion UHT Express. Fast, affordable, proven. For more information about SPX FLOW UHT solutions, please visit us at www.spxflow.com/UHT.